In this video, I'm going to share with you a natural home remedy for healing and possibly healing fully diabetes. Type 1, type 2, you certainly will get relief if you follow these remedies I'm going to be explaining. So, but I need to show you because over the last 45 odd years, I've helped a huge amount of people in 23 countries. And what has amazed me is that when you go to the medical profession generally and they tell you that you've got diabetes, they don't even show you where your pancreas is. They don't even show you. You just say you've got diabetes and they put you on medical drug. I find it surprising because, you know, if an organ is the contributor to diabetes, you should tell the patient, look, this is where it is, this is where it's at, and this is what you need to do. But a lot of them are not trained that way. So they don't just say, bang, drug. Now, so I'm going to go this diagram for you. This is the diagram of the digestive system, and that's where you find the pancreas. Now here on the right, now the liver, it might come out different on the video, but the liver is on the right hand side, but your pancreas is on the left hand side, right? So that's the pancreas there. The pancreas is actually located behind the stomach, right? Now, let me be very clear here. When you ask people where's their stomach is, they always point to their gut, down here. That's not your stomach, that's your intestines and your colon. Your pancreas is actually located here on the left hand side, behind the stomach. The stomach's a J bag. Here it is there. So behind that is the pancreas. It's like a long yellow tongue. Now, why is it so important to understand? Once you understand that that is your offending organ, you can then recommend a particular remedy or remedies. So today, I'm sure you've seen this, but you may not know the value of it. That is what I call a celeriac. C-E-L-E-R-I-A-C. Celeriac. Now you'll notice it's been cut there and it's been put covered. And if you can get it fresh with a stem on, it's even better. So this celeriac is brilliant because it regulates the blood sugar in the pancreas. It is also very beneficial for your liver, right? And the recipe I use for that is I steam it, then I cut up into small pieces, or I grate it. And there's one French recipe, it's called celeriac remoulade. And what you do is you after you cook this, you don't have to cook it, but if you decide to do it raw, you can just grate it into it's like strips of like carrots. You can mix it with a carrot with the skin on, and then you mix with that some goat's cheese. You can put a bit of goat's milk to make it a bit more creamy. You can even put one egg, a soft boiled egg with it, and then you put apple cider vinegar, olive oil, and sal de Guerin. That is a brilliant vegetable to help regulate the blood sugar in the liver, and the pancreas. Now, if you found this video useful, please share the link with others. Subscribe to our channel. On the right of the word subscribe, you will see a bell icon. Press the bell icon and select all so that you'll receive notification each time we publish a new video. And that'll be on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays. Remember to download our ebook, and the link is in the comments below. This is the book I wrote during the lockdown, and you can ask for that and we will send it to you.